In a shocking turn of events, Sunny Hostin's husband, Emmanuel Hostin, has reportedly been named in a RICO, Racketeer-influenced and corrupt organizations, lawsuit, a legal development that has sent shockwaves through both legal and media circles. While the case is still unfolding, it has already caught the attention of Fox News host Greg Gutfeld, who wasted no time tearing into the controversy during a recent segment on his show. With The View co-host Sunny Hostin known for her outspoken political views, many are now wondering how this lawsuit could impact her credibility. Could her husband's legal troubles put her in the hot seat? And why is Greg Gutfeld so eager to call her out? Let's dive into the details. Who is Emmanuel Hostin, and what is the RICO lawsuit about? For those unfamiliar, Emmanuel Hostin is a well-respected orthopedic surgeon who has largely stayed out of the public eye, aside from being married to Sunny Hostin, a former prosecutor and legal analyst. However, recent legal filings suggest that he may now be entangled in a serious lawsuit involving allegations of fraud, conspiracy, and organized misconduct. Understanding RICO charges. The RICO Act was originally created to combat organized crime, but in recent years, it has been used to prosecute white-collar crimes, corruption, and corporate fraud. If Emmanuel Hostin is indeed implicated, it suggests that prosecutors believe he was part of a larger, organized effort to commit illegal acts, not just a single instance of wrongdoing. While details of the lawsuit remain sealed or partially redacted, sources indicate that the case may involve financial misconduct, business dealings, or medical fraud. If true, this could have serious legal consequences for both Emmanuel and those allegedly involved. Greg Gutfeld reacts. Sunny, care to comment? Never one to hold back, Greg Gutfeld wasted no time in addressing the controversy on his Fox News show. The late-night host and political commentator is well known for mocking mainstream media figures, and this time, he set his sights on Sunny Hostin. During a recent segment, Gutfeld played a clip of Sunny Hostin passionately discussing legal accountability on The View. Then, with a smirk, he turned to his panel and said, "Isn't it funny how people who preach the loudest about law and justice suddenly get real quiet when it hits close to home? Sunny, care to comment?" His remarks drew laughter and agreement from his co-hosts, with some suggesting that Hostin's credibility is now in question. "She loves lecturing people about fairness and justice," Gutfeld continued. "But will she bring this up on The View? Or is this one of those off-limits topics?" The criticism didn't stop there. Social media quickly picked up on Gutfeld's remarks, with many questioning whether Sunny would address the lawsuit on air or avoid it altogether. Will Sunny Hostin respond on The View? As of now, Sunny Hostin has remained silent about the lawsuit, leading to speculation about whether she'll address it at all. Given her history as a former federal prosecutor, her legal expertise, and her frequent critiques of political and corporate corruption, many believe she should publicly comment on the allegations against her husband. Possible responses from Sunny Hostin. 1. Ignore the controversy. Hostin may refuse to address the lawsuit altogether, hoping it will fade from the public eye. This approach could work if the case doesn't gain more traction, but it could also make her look hypocritical. 2. Defend her husband. If she believes the lawsuit is baseless or politically motivated, she may choose to publicly defend Emmanuel, painting the accusations as false or exaggerated. 3. Acknowledge the case without getting involved. She might briefly address the controversy without taking a firm stance, perhaps stating that her husband is innocent until proven guilty and that she cannot comment on an ongoing legal matter. Regardless of her response, one thing is clear. The pressure is mounting for her to acknowledge the lawsuit in some capacity. The media divide. Different reactions from the left and right. Unsurprisingly, the response to this controversy has been split along political lines. Right-leaning commentators like Greg Gutfeld and his Fox News colleagues have seized the opportunity to highlight what they see as media hypocrisy, calling out Hostin for being silent on her husband's legal troubles while criticizing others. Left-leaning media outlets have largely ignored the story so far, with most mainstream networks not covering the lawsuit at all. This divide raises an important question. Would the media be handling this differently if the roles were reversed? If the spouse of a conservative TV host were implicated in a RICO lawsuit, would liberal commentators let it slide, or would they demand accountability? What's next for Emmanuel and Sunny Hostin? With the lawsuit still in its early stages, it remains unclear what legal consequences, if any, Emmanuel Hostin will face. However, given the seriousness of RICO charges, this is not something that will disappear overnight. If the case gains traction, Sunny Hostin may have to decide whether to continue her career as a TV legal expert or take a step back to focus on personal matters. Best case scenario: if the allegations turn out to be weak or false, Emmanuel could be cleared of wrongdoing and Sunny might be able to move past the controversy. Worst case scenario: if evidence mounts against him, it could result in serious legal penalties, affecting not just Emmanuel but also Sunny's reputation and career. Either way, this is a major test for both of them, one that will likely play out in both the courtroom and the court of public opinion. Final thoughts: a scandal that won't be ignored. For now, Sunny Hostin remains silent, and Emmanuel Hostin's legal battle is just beginning. However, Greg Gutfeld and other conservative voices aren't letting this go anytime soon. As more details emerge about the lawsuit, we can expect to see more media scrutiny on both Emmanuel and Sunny, pressure for The View to address the controversy, possible legal updates that could change the narrative entirely. Will Sunny finally break her silence? Will Greg Gutfeld continue to call her out for alleged hypocrisy? One thing is for certain: this story isn't going away anytime soon.